Hi, welcome to Shanghai.
Hi.
Okay, ladies, are you ready to do some shopping tonight?
Sure.
Now, someone told me that you would be interested in looking at some rings. Is that right?
Sure.
Okay, we have prepared a few different styles for you that Annetta has here in her shop.
Okay.
And there are 4 different rings, all different styles and all very beautiful.
The pink one like $50 US, 50.
$50 US for the rose quartz ring. And what's the setting material for this ring?
Silver.
Silver. It's a silver ring. And then the amethyst one?
$1,500 US.
1,500. And what's the setting for this?
White gold.
White gold. And I can tell it's a very beautiful quality of the amethyst. Very, very clear and just with a small hint of green. Okay, we have yellow and black. The light turquoise one is aquamarine.
Yes, this amethyst.
And then a dark purple amethyst. Now, Lisa and Julie, tell me, what's next? What are we gonna look at?
Let's move up to the wrist and look at bracelets.
Some bracelets, absolutely. Can I have some bracelets, please? Is there anything that catches your eye immediately?
The red one.
The red one. So this bracelet has the Chinese characters for long life on it.
Oh, that dragon is very cool.
Yeah, it is. So we're gonna list these as item number 3, 4, and 5 on the website. Okay. And how much is this one, Annetta?
This, I remember, $5 US. Before we sell a lot of this from the event.
This is a popular item, right?
Yes.
$5 US for this bracelet.
This is like a Baroque pearl. This year's very popular in the Baroque pearl because the shape is not easy to have. And the clasp, they like a magnet.
Oh, you can open the clasp very easily.
Yes, like a magnetic, made with 925 silver. So any length you want or can do by yourself.
You can open this sterling silver clasp and you can adjust the length so you can wear the necklace in many different ways. Either you can put the clasp like here, you have a long pearl drop, or you can put it at the end and then you have a longer necklace with a beautiful clasp at the front.
Yes.
Each of these pearls have been growing inside an oyster for 20 years to reach this size. They are more than 11 millimeter big, every one of them, and a Baroque shape. They're gorgeous. So 7 to 8 millimeter pearls with a silver post is
$5 US.
5.
Yes.
$5 US for 7 to 8 millimeter dark freshwater pearls and silver posts. Annetta, what is this?
This is a Swarovski crystal.
Crystal?
Yes, made the one flower.
It's like a flower and it's dark, pink. And on a, what is this, a metal wire?
Yes, but they also same pink color.
A pink wire with a single crystal flower in dark pink.
I think it would be nice for 7 years old.
What do you think, Lisa and Julie? Would this be nice for a 7-year-old?
It would. How much is that?
$10 US.
$10 US for this necklace.
Can you add that to our list?
Okay. Now, let's start reviewing the items. And we're gonna start with item number 1.
Okay.
And, okay, item number 1 is the rose quartz ring on silver setting.
So what can we get if we buy 4? For $35 a piece?
Annetta, now the more important question. Can you offer them a better price? Yeah, you hear. That's good.
I just check the price.
Okay.
What about $45 US if you buy 4?
Annetta offers you $45 US each if you buy 4.
Yes.
We get it for 40?
40?
40 cannot. I tried before already so many times.
You tried?
Yes. I check the price. 45 is the best price.
How much for two?
How much for two?
Even you buy two at the same price, 45.
She's offering you 45 even if you buy two.
Buy one, no problem.
The dragon one.
Okay, 5 dragon. This dragon with finless. One is finless, one dragon. Finless.
It is a dragon and also a phoenix bird.
Yes, in China, the phoenix is the queen. I think
Yeah.
the dragon is the king. The best.
The dragon is the symbol for the king and the phoenix bird is the symbol for the queen.
Yes.
So what is our price for five?
For her $10 US, okay.
$10 US each.
Yes.
Down from 15.
Great, thank you.
Great, and that's for the dragon one.
How much is this again? I'm sorry.
$5 US.
Five. We'll take it at the $5 price.
Okay, and that's item number 6.
How much would one of those be again?
$35 US. 35.
That's fine. One.
One of those, okay. They're 7 to 8 millimeter.
Yes.
And they have silver posts.
Yes.
And you said $5 US, right?
2 pairs, please.
Okay, and this is item number 10. And then we're coming up to our next item, the super cute necklace for young girls with the dark pink crystal flower on pink wire.
Yeah.
And what did you say about this one? $10 US?
Yes.
How many for 6 of those?
If they buy 6, can you offer a better price?
8 for each. Okay.
$8 each if you buy 6 of them.
Okay, that's fine.
That's
Okay.
fine. That's item number 11. I want to say thank you, Lisa and Julie, for doing a great job as ShangByers. And for this time, bye-bye from Shanghai and ShangBy.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, thank you.